Although the crypto market has been off to a rocky start this year, 2025 could still be one of the most important years in the history of cryptocurrency. We're featuring the top 5 coins for 2025 to help you decide between the countless crypto assets available on the market today. Before we continue, we should note that we're deliberately skipping Bitcoin in this video, as we wanted to put more of a focus on altcoins. Despite this, Bitcoin remains the best choice overall if you're looking to invest in crypto. The first coin we're featuring is XRP, a cryptocurrency that has seen an impressive resurgence after Donald Trump's victory in the U.S. presidential election brought expectations of a much more friendly regulatory environment for crypto.
On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman.
This has increased the chances of Ripple definitively winning its legal battle with the SEC and has also improved the odds of an XRP ETF launching in the United States. There are of course also reasons to be excited about XRP from a more fundamental standpoint. Although the XRP ledger doesn't support smart contracts in the traditional sense, it can still support a range of use cases, especially when it comes to tokenization. Ripple has launched a US dollar-backed stablecoin called Ripple USD, which is live on both the XRP ledger and Ethereum. The stablecoin is already available on a few leading exchanges, including Bitstamp and Bullish, but it has plenty of room for growth, as it is yet to be adopted by the biggest industry players, such as Binance and Coinbase. The XRP ledger is also becoming a hub for the tokenization of real-world assets. For example, the RWA platform Open Eden has launched a tokenized U.S. Treasury bill product on the XRP ledger. Shortly afterward, Ripple committed $10 million to Open Eden's T-bill tokenized Treasury offering. In addition, Ripple teamed up with Arcax to launch tokenized shares of Aberdeen's U.S. dollar liquidity fund. Ripple has also established a partnership with RWA tokenization platform Ondo Finance to bring a tokenized U.S. Treasury product to the XRP ledger. Next up on our list is BitTensor, which is a decentralized network that enables a peer-to-peer marketplace for machine intelligence. The BitTensor, composed of multiple subnets, each tailored to specific functions such as text prompting, transcription, audio generation, and even Bitcoin price forecasts. At present, 71 BitTensor subnets are actively operating. BitTensor uses a unique consensus mechanism known as UMA consensus, which enables validators across various subnets to influence and direct the network's learning process. BitTensor's native token DAO has been holding up relatively well recently despite a broader sell-off in the altcoin markets. The BitTensor ecosystem is steadily receiving improvements, with one of the most notable upgrades being the introduction of an EVM compatibility layer, which makes BitTensor capable of interacting with Ethereum smart contracts. When it comes to more recent upgrades, the dynamic DAO proposal has boosted the functionality of BitTensor subnets and made it possible to invest in individual subnets, which could incentivize fresh capital to enter the BitTensor ecosystem. We're also constantly seeing an influx of new subnets with specialized functions. For example, the Precog subnet provides high-frequency Bitcoin price forecasts that can be leveraged by traders. If you're interested in the intersection of AI and crypto, BitTensor is definitely worth a strong consideration. Now, let's move on to Hyperliquid, a high-performance decentralized derivatives trading platform that has taken the crypto trading industry by storm. Hyperliquid functions on a specialized Layer 1 blockchain and enables decentralized trading with competitive fees and low slippage. Thanks to the focused design of the Hyperliquid blockchain, the platform can handle approximately 100,000 orders per second, resulting in a trading experience similar to using a centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Hyperliquid is rapidly approaching $1 trillion in cumulative trading volume, which would be a huge achievement for a decentralized trading platform. The project is Hype Token, which was launched in late November 2024 through a very well-received airdrop, has advanced to the 23rd spot in the cryptocurrency market cap rankings, which is impressive for a new entrant to the market. Hype holders can stake their tokens to receive rewards while simultaneously boosting the security of the Hyperliquid platform. With continued improvements to the platform, such as the launch of the HyperEVM, we wouldn't be surprised if Hyperliquid increased its market share in 2025 and become an even more legitimate competitor to centralized trading platforms. The next contender on our list is Ethereum, which doesn't need an introduction. Although Ether has been disappointing investors with its price action for an extended period of time, it could be presenting a strong investment opportunity in 2025. First off, there is the upcoming Petra upgrade, which will introduce 11 Ethereum improvement proposals that will result in more efficient smart contract transactions, cheaper Layer 2 transactions, as well as improved user experience for Ethereum wallets. Despite Ether's recent underperformance in terms of price, Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem remains strong, with increasing Ether usage and continued protocol improvements. The Ethereum Foundation's $120 million investment in major DeFi projects signals strong institutional support. Additionally, Ethereum ETFs have recently seen significant inflows, outperforming Bitcoin ETFs, and potential ETF staking approval could further boost demand as investors in ETFs could be able to benefit from staking yields. In addition, Solana's recent struggles may shift investor interest back to Ethereum. Sentiment surrounding Solana has taken a noticeable hit after a series of meme coin launches on the Solana platform that have burned investors with rug pulls and insider trading. Combined with the declining prices of existing meme coins, crypto investors could be looking to move away from the meme coin meta, which would bode well for Ethereum. We're rounding out our list of the top 5 coins for 2025 with Litecoin, a cryptocurrency that probably isn't on the radar of most newer crypto investors. However, Litecoin has quietly been outperforming the rest of the crypto market as it managed to avoid major losses over the last month. Unlike coins such as XRP and Solana, Litecoin has largely managed to avoid regulatory controversy. Similarly to what we've seen with Bitcoin, regulators are treating Litecoin like a commodity and not like a security. This makes it one of the likeliest cryptocurrencies to receive an ETF in the United States and is probably one of the biggest drivers of Litecoin's recent overperformance. In fact, Bloomberg's ETF analysts James Seyffart and Eric Balchunas give Litecoin the highest odds of a spot ETF approval in 2025 at a whopping 90%. If you're looking to play the crypto ETF narrative, LTC could certainly be an interesting option to consider.